For this Halloween craft, let's make a spider hat. Hi everybody, it's Laurie at Madison Children's Museum's Haunted Art Studio. You know, today I woke up in the morning and I thought, I kind of want to be a spider today. So I made a spider hat. Would you like to be a spider too? I can show you how to make this hat out of construction paper. It's a really fun and quick Halloween project. Let's see what you need to make the spider hat. So we have some sheets of construction paper. I'm going to use black for my spider's body and legs, and then I have some white paper to make all of the spooky eyes. Now, as always, if you want to add other things to your spider, if you want to add other paper decorations, you can use other pieces of colored paper and add as many things as you want. Let me show you how to cut out the pieces. So we're going to need 2 strips of black construction paper to go around your head. And so this is good cutting practice for some of our younger friends. I'm going to draw a guideline here. You could of course use a ruler. This big line is going to be for my strips that go around my head. And then we're going to need spider legs. How many legs do spiders have? Let me think. I bet you know. 8, right? So I'm going to draw some thin lines for my spider's legs. And since I have 2 sheets of paper here, I'm just going to need to draw 4 legs, and we'll cut them out double. All right, now let's cut out our pieces, our big strips. And you can cut these out one at a time if you want to be neat about it. Sometimes I'm in a little bit of a hurry, so I take some shortcuts like doubling up my paper. Now I'm going to cut out my spider legs. And you can make them as skinny or fat as you want. You just need to make sure that you have 8 of them. That's the spider way. Okay, and then the last thing we're going to need to make are some spider eyes. Now spiders have compound eyes. That means they have eyes made up of all these little tiny eyes. And so these are really fun to draw. And you can make as many eyes as you want for your spider. Now, of course, you could always stick on googly eyes, but today I want to draw my spider eyes. You can trace something round to make a nice round eye. I'm just using the top of my glue stick. I'm also just going to freehand draw some circles here. These are all going to be my different size eyes. And now our eyes are going to need to have a center. I think I might make mine kind of spooky red. Again, these are your spiders, so if you want your spider to have different colored eyes, that's up to you. Okay, and after I have drawn my eyes, I'm going to cut them out. Again, if you wanted to do my little shortcut, you could double over your paper and you could cut out twice as many eyes at one time. It's just a little tricky to hold your paper together. Again, cutting along the lines, that's pretty good practice for a lot of our younger friends. You could also use a paper punch if you had a paper punch to punch out lots of little eyes. Remember, you can make as many as you want. Here, today I think I'll just start with 5 eyes. I can always add more later. Yeah. And then we can get to assembling our spider hat. Okay, all my parts are ready. So what you do first, you take your 2 long strips and you're going to put them end to end like this. And you'll use your stapler to attach them together so that they become one long strip. And now, since I have this flat, I'm going to use my glue stick and I'm going to glue my eyes right in the center. And this will cover up my staples quite nicely. And then you can group your other eyes around, or if you're using googly eyes, you can stick on your googly eyes right now. And cluster them all together so you can see out of your spider eyes. You can always come back and put more on there. Okay, so now it's time to attach our legs. I'm going to put 4 legs on one side and 4 legs on the other side. And I'm going to attach them with my stapler again. I'm going to hold on my little leg. I make sure I have enough here. I see 3. I think one of my legs snuck to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. There we go. And on the other side, I'm going to do, you have to leave enough room to look out of your legs. You don't want to have your legs covering your eyes. 1, 2, I need to go from the other side there. 3, and 4. Okay, and now I'm going to fold each one of my legs back like this, and then I'm going to zigzag it a few times. And I can make my zigzags kind of crookedy so that my legs will kind of be a bit more boingy. You could also leave your legs straight if you wanted to, or you could curl them. It's up to you. I like the boingy legs. There, 1/2 of the spider's legs. I'm going to do 2 at a time. Look at that. And 2 more. All right, now let's see, does my spider hat look better like this, with the legs on top, or like this? So you can decide. I think I'm going to do this one with the legs up in the air as a companion to my one with the legs underneath. So you're going to put this around your head, get a friend or an adult to help if you need to, hold it in the place it needs to be, and you're going to staple that together. And now I'm ready to be a spider again. I hope you have fun being a spider, just like me. Happy Halloween.